What's up, guys? Today I want to show you guys how you can make some money if you're broke. So if you're broke and you want to make some money, you want to start from nothing, you want to start from zero, you want to start earning crypto, one of the best thing I would advise you is to participate in airdrops. All right, so most of you get airdrops from your friends or from a particular group, but this time around I'm going to show you where to get the sources of airdrop. Right, so and now most of these airdrops, one thing you should know is that airdrops, most of them, like 90% or 95% of them, are not going to make you money, but the very few five are going to make you a lot of money. So you can participate in hundreds of airdrops, and at the end of the day, maybe only five can make you some cool amount of money. So I'm going to show you guys where to get airdrop from the source right here. So I'm going to show you guys right here on CoinMarketCap. Now CoinMarketCap is listing these airdrops, and there are also good airdrops. So CoinMarketCap will not give you fake airdrops, all right? So, but whatever you're doing, just be careful. Make sure you don't participate in any airdrop that asks you to send money so you can get it. If they ask you anything above $10, don't do it. All right. So I know most of the time when you want to do these airdrops, you need to link your Trust wallet with the airdrop, so they can take about $1 or $2. But anything above $5, $10, don't do it. All right. So now, guys, this is CoinMarketCap. You can go to calendar and click on free airdrops. You can see ICO's calendar, that is initial coin and free, those coins that are coming up. But there are you need to buy those coins with your money. But these airdrops are free, and which you can participate. So now you can see there are upcoming airdrops over here, and there are ongoing airdrops over here. So you can click on the particular one you want. All right, so you can see all these airdrops coming. You can see the amount of people that have participated, number of winners. About 2,000 winners have been picked from 1.8 million participants. So you can see, like I said, it's all about luck. You might be lucky, you might be among them. You can also see this one has rewarded about 5,000 people out of 2 million participated. So you can see the okay, these ones are giving out NFTs. All right, they're giving out NFTs, and you can also click on view all ongoing airdrops, and you can see them. You can see airdrops that have ended. I'm gonna show you guys those airdrops that have ended. So see all the ongoing airdrops, but let's go back and see all the airdrops that have ended so far. So you can see, I think I'm looking for the one I know. Oh, I don't know anyone here. So you can see all of them, view all 312 airdrops. So to participate, let's say you want to participate in this one, Dog of Elon. Oh wow. So just click on Dog of Elon. You can see the price is at 47 cents at the moment. So I will advise you to always check out those upcoming airdrops, so when they come, you dive into it immediately. So you can see this one, you just have to copy the link. So if you want to participate, you will go right down here and click on login to participate. Then you can now once you log in to your CoinMarketCap, then you can now go through there are forms you're going to fill. So once you do all that tax, then you can now have your coin sent to you, but you need to go to your Trust wallet and copy, and the normal way we do airdrop. So you have to go to your Trust wallet, you search for the coins, or use this Ethereum or whatever contract address it is here. Then you go search for the coins and paste your link there, so they're going to reward you randomly. So, or you can also, how to participate, you can do this. So they want you to go to the website and go to coin. Okay, now let's do this one quickly. So you need to do all this. Go to the website, go to CoinMarketCap, search for this, take the contract address, go to your Trust wallet, open a dark browser, and click on paste this link over there, this link right here. All right, then look for airdrop where it says free airdrops. Where it says free airdrops, then or you can click on claim pre-sales. So but whatever you do, just click on free airdrops and you can get that. So but this link, I'm opening it on my browser. What you have to do is to take this, you have to copy this link and paste it on your DApp browser, on your Trust wallet. Then follow the procedures. Change the mainnet from Ethereum to Binance, so you can they can charge you very low fee and you can participate in these airdrops. I hope this video you have learned one or two things. You can participate as much airdrops as you want to participate in, and and take advantage of it. So you might be lucky one day and you can get this coin. So you can just keep doing this for a long time. Don't give up. My advice for you is don't give up, and I'm very sure you'll be lucky one day. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for more content.